Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, West Coast Built, and this is my new drift car. Alright, so as many of you know, this is a 240Sx. It's a 1993, so it has the dual cam motor in it. But honestly guys, I think I really lucked out on this buy right here because this is a rebuilt motor. It has 2,000 miles on it according to the previous owner. I don't have records or anything, but he went to UTI and their car runs really healthy. My friend behind me told me there wasn't any smoke being blown out of it or anything. So I'm just gonna take his word for it. And so this, there's like a whole bunch of things I wanna list off to you guys so you guys know what's already done to the car. Then we're gonna talk about what's the plans with the car and what I'm gonna be doing as in terms of this car, because obviously I'm not gonna have it sitting there, you know, looking pretty. All right guys, so let's go over everything the car has done to it already. This car already has a paint job on it, and yes, it's red. So if you guys know me, this is my third red car actually. I have a red 370Z, a red 240Sx, the one that you saw in the beginning of the video, and now the 93. So I don't complain. I really don't care. I love the color red. It's my favorite color. It got the white wheels. They're 4 lugs, so we gotta change that. I do want to change it to the 5 lugs, so we'll do a 5 lug conversion video in as soon as I get it. All right. So my favorite part about this car, I don't know if I've already mentioned, this car was automatic. So in order for me to turn it on, I don't have to put the foot in the clutch. I just have to turn the key. Look. Boom. So it's completely gutted. You can see right through the floor. There's no stereo, there's no AC. There's let me open up the trunk. Let me open up the hood. Yep, so we got some OEM 240Sx taillights. Hit me up if you guys want them. Now, the dope thing about this is it came with an extra dip. So in case this differential blows, we got this one. I'll weld this one up and slap it in, and we're gonna be back on the track in no time. Here, there's not really much back here. So if you guys look, it's all pretty much gutted out. Just a bunch of junk that I'm about to clean out soon. Now let's come up to the front. Alright, so your basic KA24DE. It's got this AEM intake that is zip tied because that's the only way that it won't hit the fan shroud, or I mean the fan, clutch fan, whatever. It's got this really cool KA24DE little plaque right there. I think it's cool. So yeah, this is a rebuilt motor, 2,000 miles on it, he says. It has this little crappy oil catch can. Not really whole much. It's just it's a stock. Yeah. So yeah, just your casual KA24. Nothing too special. But the good thing, it's a rebuilt motor, and we're gonna pretty much rip it. And the guy that had it before told me that another thing that this car has is a solid one-piece drive shaft. I'm not sure what the brand of the drive shaft is, but it's one piece, meaning that he's telling me that this car is ready for 500 horsepower. I don't think I'd ever push it to that. If I want, after I learn how to really slide around with what I have already, I'm gonna move up to a turbo kit, and I'd be looking for around 300, 330 horsepower, nothing too crazy. Get a tune on my ECU. I got 2 ECUs for this car. Yeah, there's not a whole lot. It's got a welded diff. It's got the one-piece drive shaft. It's a rebuilt KA24. It's already gutted. This has a paint job on it. This thing is literally good to go. I'm really happy with this, guys. You have no idea. I'm a big Nissan fan, if you guys haven't already noticed. And so for me to get this, it's a huge step into what is there to come for this channel. Honestly, I'm gonna really try to get some seat time with this. I'm gonna make a lot of videos of this, so you guys just subscribe. Make sure to subscribe if you guys are new. Subscribe, because there's gonna be a lot of videos. I know it's just another it's another 240SX build, but I mean honestly, there's just gonna be big plans, and everybody's different, so it's not gonna be just like every other channel. Try not to. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's pretty much everything that this car has done at the moment. I honestly have nothing bad to say about this buy. This was a really good buy. Like, I really lucked out on this. The only thing that I could say is this right here. If you guys see, it's kind of like chipped and melted, and see this light's all melted. The guy said that somebody lit a garbage can in front of his house, and so that kind of got messed up a little bit. But to me, that's not a big deal. It's a drift car. I'm just literally just trying to learn how to slide and how to do, you know, how to drift. I'm just gonna try my best to learn with this car, and so I have nothing negative to say about this. I'm just really happy. This was a really good buy. It was awesome. Alright guys, so last year I attempted to do the same thing I'm doing right now, which is I bought a Nissan 240Sx. The difference was that was a 1989, and it was a really terrible buy. So I got the car for $1,800, and basically the A-pillars on the 240 was all rusted out. It was an automatic, so I had to change the automatic. It was a single cam motor, and it needed a lot of work. The car was like not only rusted on the A-pillars, but like maybe under the car, it was like it had a lot of rust everywhere. It was just, there was no way I was gonna put the time in to fix that car up. So I don't know what I was thinking when I got it, but that was a major setback for me. And basically I wasn't able to do last year what I wanted to do this year, is basically get some seat time and actually start drifting and taking my cars out to Sonoma Raceway and actually doing what I love and building and working on cars and racing and drifting cars. So that's the plan with this, and this car is kind of half ready. What I like about it is that it's not fully done yet, and there's still work to be done before I get it on the track. I mean, to be honest, it's ready for the track right now, but I'm probably gonna hold off on a few things that I wanna mention to you guys that I wanna do before I take it out. And so my goal really is to get this on the track in Sonoma Raceway by summertime. But that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna slide it before then. So my goal, my thing is I'm gonna just register it, insure it, and then I'm gonna take it to Mexico, if you guys know what I'm talking about, and we're gonna see what this baby could do. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is my new drift car project, but you know, you guys are gonna see a lot of videos on this. The main thing that I want to start doing ASAP is I want to do the 5-love conversion, and while I do that, since I'm gonna have the subframes out, I want to get solid subframe bushings, like all around, everything solid, and I'm gonna check the motor mounts, make sure those are solid, the tranny mounts. I want everything to be solid, and I'm gonna see the condition of the coilovers, and maybe I might change those out too. But my priority is to make sure that suspension wise this thing is ready to take a beating. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna be on Craigslist looking for a 5-love conversion. So that's next. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of projects to do with this. There's gonna be a lot of different like things to do, but that's next. I want to get an angle mod, obviously, so I can get that good angle. That's what you guys expect. If you guys really like, you know, drifting and 240s and want to watch somebody up and coming, you know, just kind of like from the bottom, then please hit that subscribe button. Leave a like on this video if you liked it. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys like, just let me know of anything, you know. I like, you guys want me to do anything, give me some ideas, and I always respond to all my comments. And yeah, so I'm just really happy. Like, you guys have no idea, this is a big deal for me. You know, this car is only gonna see the track and parking lots, so you know, that's mainly what this car is for. It's not a daily, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, before I go, so the next video you guys should be looking out for is a part install on my Nissan 370Z. So I got these parts from Z1 Motorsports, as you guys can see, with the nice packaging they sent me. And I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is, so you guys gotta just subscribe and stay tuned. Hit that little bell cause it's gonna be lit, guys. Check it out, my 370Z is in my new little shop right here.